Donald Trump, no longer bound by the presidency, has retreated to Mar-a-Lago. His days are filled with golf, galas, and plotting his return. A new ambition takes shape in his mind. It involves Elon Musk, the tech mogul revolutionizing industries. Trump sees in Musk a kindred spirit. A call is placed from Trump Tower to Musk's headquarters. Trump requests Musk's presence at Mar-a-Lago to discuss a matter of national importance. Musk, intrigued, agrees to the meeting. The stage is set for a clash of titans. The Florida sun bathes Mar-a-Lago in a golden glow as Elon Musk's private jet touches down at Palm Beach International Airport. He is whisked away to Trump's estate, a sprawling complex of manicured lawns, sparkling pools and palatial architecture. He is ushered into Trump's private study, a room adorned with memorabilia from his presidency and gilded with an air of power and importance.
Elon, so good to finally have you here. We're going to make history together, you and I.
Musk, known for his reserved demeanor, nods politely. He takes a seat opposite Trump, his eyes scanning the room, taking in the aura of power and ambition that permeates the very air.
America needs to be great again, Elon. And I have a plan, a vision that will catapult us back to the top. But I need your help, your genius, your technology.
Trump, with characteristic flair, lays out his vision. He speaks of a future where American innovation reigns supreme, where technology solves the nation's most pressing problems, and where the American dream is revitalized for all. He envisions a partnership, a collaboration of unprecedented scale, between Trump's political acumen and Musk's technological prowess. Musk listens intently, his mind racing with possibilities. He sees the potential, the sheer audacity of Trump's proposal. It's a gamble, a high-stakes game that could either reshape the world or crumble into spectacular failure. Yet Musk has never been one to back down from a challenge.
What exactly do you have in mind, Mr. President?
Trump leans forward, his eyes gleaming with excitement.
Imagine this, Elon. We combine your cutting-edge technology with my ability to move mountains in Washington. We create jobs, rebuild our infrastructure, and make America the envy of the world once again.
Section 4, The Art of the Deal, Text Style. What follows is a whirlwind of brainstorming, negotiation, and strategic planning. Trump, the master dealmaker, lays out his vision with grand pronouncements and promises of a brighter future. Musk, the pragmatic innovator, peppers him with questions, analyzing the feasibility of each idea, dissecting the challenges and potential rewards. They discuss everything from revolutionizing transportation with a nationwide network of hyperloops to creating a space-based defense system powered by SpaceX rockets. They envision smart cities powered by renewable energy, artificial intelligence that enhances national security, and educational programs that equip every American with the skills to thrive in the 21st century. Days turn into nights as the two men hammer out the details of their ambitious plan. They argue, they compromise, they push each other to think bigger, bolder, more disruptively. Finally, after weeks of intense collaboration, a deal is struck. The Trump-Musk alliance is born. Section 5. The grand vision unveiled. The announcement comes as a shock to the world. A joint press conference is scheduled at the Kennedy Space Center. What could these two titans have in store? The day arrives and the world watches with bated breath.
My fellow Americans, today we stand at the dawn of a new era, reclaiming our nation's rightful place as a global leader.
Then he introduces Elon Musk. The crowd erupts in applause as Musk takes the stage. Section 6, Launching into the Future. The world is captivated. The Trump-Musk alliance becomes an instant sensation, dominating headlines and sparking debate across the globe. Some are skeptical, questioning the motives of these two ambitious figures. Others are cautiously optimistic, hoping that their vision will translate into tangible progress. But one thing is certain, the world is watching.
Wow, this is incredible. The potential here is just mind-blowing. I mean, if they can pull this off, it could really change everything.
The Trump-Musk alliance has the potential to reshape the geopolitical landscape, to usher in a new era of technological advancement and global competition. Only time will tell if their grand experiment will succeed, if their alliance will propel humanity forward or sow the seeds of its own undoing.
The launch event concludes, but the journey has just begun. The Trump-Musk alliance, a fusion of political ambition and technological innovation, has set in motion a chain of events with the potential to reshape the world as we know it. Whether this power play will lead to progress or peril remains to be seen.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content and updates.